In this section, you are learned by the linear equations in two variables. What is the meaning of a linear equation? The power of a highest degree is 1, then that is called by the linear equation. The power of the highest degree is 1, then that is called by the linear equation. Here, how many variables you are using? Two variables. So, the general formation of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is called by the linear equations in two variables. Now, our chapter, if you take by the two equations, if you take, that is called by the pair of linear equations in two variables. It is called by linear equations in the two variables. Now, what you take there means pair of linear equations in two variables. Same, if you take two equations, if you take a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, one equation, a2x, second equation, if you take it as a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, condition what you write there means a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. At the same way, a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Then these two equations are called by pair of linear equations in two variables. Then here some conditions will be there. Case 1. Here x comma y are the variables. X comma y are called the variables. Here variables, sometimes only one solution you get. Otherwise, there is no solution. Third one will be infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Here x and y values are getting the three models. One is called by case 1, case 2, case 3. Case 1 only one solution. Solution means already you know that satisfying by the x and y values for this both equations. Second one will be no solution. Third one will be infinitely many solution. Now here two more words will be there. Solution will be. Then the equations are called by constant equations. For suppose no solution, that is called by inconstant equations. Then that is called by inconstant equations. When we get constant equations, when we get inconstant equations, now I am explaining. Please observe it. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Both are pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Case 1, unique solution. Before already explained, solution will be, then the equations are called by constant equations. Constant equation. Unique solution when will come there means comparing by the coefficients. Here coefficient sense, here a1 comma a2, b1 b2, c1 c2. Now constant equations there means comparing by the coefficients. a1 by a2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This condition will be satisfied. Then both the equations are having a unique solution. Unique solution there means only one solution. Then that time these equations are called by constant equations. Second one will be no solution. When we get the no solution, then the equations are called by inconstant equations. When we get inconstant equations or no solution, that means same comparing by the coefficients. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Then this condition will be satisfied. Then automatically x and y values are not suitable for both equations. Third case, infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Solution will be, then automatically the equations are by constant equations. Constant equation. Here, when will it is possible, there means same model comparing by the coefficients. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Automatically only one equation will get. Then that equations are also called by independent. Equations. Sometimes it is called by dependent also. Independent equations. So totally here important words are unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solutions. Unique solution when will come, that means constant equation. This will be condition, no solution. Then the equations are called by inconstant equations. Third one will be infinitely many solution. When will get there means A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2. Now how many methods will be there for find the x and y values? According to our 10th standard, totally 3 methods. First one will be elimination method. Second one will be graphical method. Next one will be substitution method. First one is called by elimination method. Second one will be graphical method. Third one will be substitution method. Next video will explain by the each and every method. This video if you like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.